I have not been this excited in 15 to 20 years. We get 5 different residual checks in addition to the percent per day. Yeah. So check this out. Check this out. The portal is free. So everybody can go look at the whole back office, the trading. You can look at the comp plan, everything for free. Then you can decide which one of these packages you want to fund with. $100, $500, $2,000, $8,000, $25,000, or $100,000. Now here's the difference. You do a 50-50 split on the trade. Each trade, they keep half and you keep half.
That makes sense.
$500, you keep 60, they keep 40.
Gotcha.
You see it? So you can determine, and to answer your question, yes, when you work your way up. So you can start with 500 and do a 60-40 split, but then as you fund it up to 2,000, you get higher percentage of the trade each day. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
8,000, 70-30, 25,000, 75-25. There's a one-time license fee of 10%. That license fee is what goes into the comp plan and your residual check. So every time somebody joins your team, you can pay it off the overall volume of their 10% licensing fee. I'm going to explain it in a second. It's 5 days per week. They don't trade on the weekends. All of this is automatic. Ain't no copying and pasting. The money in your trade account is getting compounded without you having to do anything. We get paid every Friday direct to your wallet. You ain't got to request it. The money go to your wallet. You either cash it out or keep it. Every Friday at 6 o'clock, the trades from all week go into your wallet, and you can decide to take it out for $2, okay, or flip it into the trade account and keep what? Keep compounding. Let's look at this. No profit lockup, weekly withdrawals directly to your wallet. They come in automatically. Withdraw at any time, but if you do it within the first year, any withdrawal is 10%. After 13 months, the withdrawal is 5%. But after 2 years, you can withdraw all you want, and it costs you nothing. Profit withdrawals, I don't care if you take out $1 million or 100,000, it's $2.
Got it.
We get paid 6 ways in addition to the percent per day, y'all. In addition to. So anybody you talk to moving forward, let them know that they can get a free account. You're going to earn 10 to 20% every time somebody puts some money back into their trading account. If you proceed sponsor them, you can put that to anytime somebody put it toward their trade balance. That goes through 3 levels, Marquis. Nice. They got a global pool. I'm about to show y'all my back office. They got a global pool where you earn 2 to 14% off the whole company, all the trades. Wow. Once a month on the first. So you get paid every Friday, direct deposit in your account. Once a month on the first, the global pool shares the global proceeds are shared. Wow. Now, that's my one pager that I just created. I ain't even showed y'all the comp plan yet. That's just me putting it all together so I can understand what the world's going on. Now let's look at the comp plan. Check this out. These are all the registrations the company got. Based in Panama, because Panama is real loose on crypto. Europe, of course, the United States, Wyoming registration, FinCEN, and they based out of Hong Kong. So it's a global company. Billion dollar company. They have 4 different verticals. Polar Tensor is just their AI portion. This is one of Polar's 4 verticals. It's a huge company that's launching their AI pasting side. Does that make sense? In other words, y'all, this ain't what they do. This is one of the 4 things they do. I just thought that was pretty huge. Here are your commission splits per trade. I like the fact that I can open my free account and a person can put in $100 just to get comfortable. Either way, that helps towards your overall what? Volume. And when they re-up, you get paid what? Everybody say again. Again. Okay.
For a percentage. I was like, what percentage?
Okay. So I think everybody understands this slide pretty good, right? You just get in where you fit in. So, but let me say this real quick. Because of the 10% licensing fee, if you do 100, you pay 110. Y'all see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
To land on 100, so to land on 500, you pay 550.
Okay.
Here's where people gonna mess up. Let's say I say, Brian, I want to fund it. I'm gonna pull some money from somewhere. I'm gonna put $100 in, whatever, 500, whatever. Remember, if you pull 2,000 and land on 1999, you're doing a 60-40 split. For one more dollar, you should have been up here. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So you gotta make sure you put the 10% in there to land where you're trying to land to get the split that you want per trade. So 65-35, don't fall short and mess around and put in 1,996 because you're gonna be in this tier. Look at this, bro. The license is 10% of whatever they make on their deposit.
Mm-hmm.
On level 1, you get 20% off everybody that you personally sponsor's license. All right, so let me tell you what I mean. Let's say 3 people add $5,000 to their account collectively, not each. This is your re-up residual. 10% of the 5,000 was 500. So you getting 20% of the 500. You made $300 today from people re up.
Gotcha. All right.
You see it? But
Yeah.
but this right here is an extra $300 off the 10% license. We ain't even
Got you.
the trade money yet. You see what I'm saying? Yeah.
Got you.
So level 2, 9 people collectively add another $300 to their account, $400. Right? So you added 3,000 to your team. 10% of that is 300. So now, as people re-up, you got another residual check coming every Friday on the re-up. That ain't got nothing to do with your trading dollar. Y'all see it? This is volume driven. I ain't got to the good part yet. This is the residual. This is the other residual reward. Look, your referrals will generate daily trading profits.
Come on, man.
So every Friday, the company takes the trading profits of your whole team and give you 10% on level 1, 5 on levels, your whole team, the trading profits for the week go into your wallet. Number 3, look, there's another way we get paid. You get these bonuses. Once you hit this volume, you get this bonus. 500, 2,500, this is team ball. 50% of it can only come from one leg. Y'all see it? 8,000, 25,000. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Beef.
Yeah.
I got beef, man. You called all them people before you called us.
Right.
That's why I'm so good, because I work the kinks out first. I always start with the people who ain't doing what I'm doing first. This is how I do it. And then I say, okay, when I see how they react, then I'm like, okay, I got to at least show some of the fellas this. At least the people I personally sponsor. You know what I mean?
you.
Now, look at these bonuses. Here's another bonus. Earn a percentage of the license volume of your entire team. The license volume, y'all, is the 10% of the money they deposit. Now, depending on where you are here, bronze, silver, gold, where your volume is, you get 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, or 24% of your whole team on a separate check. It gets better. What about another check of all of their trades? The whole team's trade. Every Friday, they add all of that up on one check and giving you all 5 of these income streams every Friday. And then the global bonus pool on the 1st of every month from the whole company.
It's a whole lot of checks.
It's a lot of checks, bro.
Yeah.
It's a lot of checks. This is the global bonus pool. So now that y'all understand, let's look at it. Gold, you get 2%. So let's go back to what gold was. Gold, a total group volume of what? 8,000. I got in this to copy and paste and enjoy my life. I want my money on autopilot. Period. I'm done. Watch this. So this is me when I first joined, which was 12 hours ago. I downloaded the app. My homeboy joined for 2,500. Look, y'all, I hadn't even funded yet, and I'm making money.
Wow. So we should just get the structure in place right away, no matter what.
Get your structure, Marquise. That's why I rock with you. Get your structure in place. So, Doc, check this out. Y'all know with us, all my limits, I'm tapped because I've been helping everybody all week get rocking, right? So my Coinbase is like, nope, 0, wait till next Monday, right?
Right.
So here I am trying to fund it. I'm like, okay, I'm tapped right now. But my guys was ready. The company still pay you. It ain't one of them things where if they beat you to it, you lost money. It's still going to your trade account for when you're ready.
Wow.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Watch this. I don't even know, y'all, how I got this stuff. I know I got somebody in, and that's, last night, I created the account the other day, but I ain't do nothing because I ain't had no money available to fund, right? Then I got a 45, a 10, a rank. I hit bronze by mistake, right? Do y'all remember the $20 reward? And then
Yeah.
I got a residual license award. All of this on the 30th, 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 30th. So all this money go in my account Friday. I ain't even done nothing yet. Total deposits what? 0. I got 2,500 because my boy put in 2,500. Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got 2,500 just in his leg. So now that's him right here. I got 225 leg volume off of him. My other homeboy put in 500. So I got 56 volume off of him. So now as they start trading, I got another check coming in off the team trades. If they re-up, you get anywhere from 10 to 20% on the re-up. And y'all know what happens when people start seeing the trade money. They tend to what? Re-up.
Re-up.
All I'm telling y'all is this gonna be big.
Yeah.
This gonna be big. And it's one of those things that just pay you every Friday and you can set it and forget it. And you can pull your stuff out or leave it in and put it in a trade account.
You know that meme where you like, give me your phone, give me your link.
I'm gonna get y'all the link, man. But I just want to make sure I just wanted to talk to the fellas first. I said, man, if anybody got 30 minutes to understand, you can chill and get rid of the headache